Hey, beautiful people! Today, I'm super excited to tell you all about a must-have for Black women, the Afro Kinky Curly Human Hair Wig. First off, let's talk about the hair itself. This wig is made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair cut from a young girl donor. It's incredibly soft, with no tangles or shedding. Now remember, these curls are small and tight, so the same length might look shorter than other textures, but trust me, it's worth it. Now let's get into why you'll love it. This wig can be restyled however you like. Want to switch it up? No problem. It's comfortable, breathable, and with 180% density, it's full and attractive. Plus, it's soft, fluffy, light, and bouncy with no smell. Easy to install and style, it's perfect for any look. You can even dye and bleach it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out description for more information about this great-looking wig. The wig cap size is medium, fitting heads 22 to 22.5 inches, with 4 combs and adjustable straps. It's easy to adjust for the perfect fit and super comfortable. And if you need a custom size, that's an option too. Now onto the styling. This wig features 180% density and comes in a natural black color, with lengths ranging from 12 to 16 inches. Remember to measure curly hair from the head spin to the longest strand at the bottom. One of my favorite features is the gorgeous bang style. The bangs are long, so you can cut them to your liking. Wash and deep condition it, let it air dry, and shape it to your face. You're going to love the way it looks. Alright, if you're loving this wig as much as I am, don't forget to subscribe and check the description for more information about it. Trust me, this Afro Kinky Curly wig is a game changer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay fabulous, queens.